Sydney and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. For today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a real college lookbook, or like outfit ideas. Same difference. You know what I mean. But I just wanted to make this video because I made a college lookbook, or just like back to school lookbook, this time last year, and it was comfy but cute outfit ideas to give you guys a little inspo on how to still look cute and fashionable but be like physically comfortable at the same time. So this time it's kind of like that, but like you're just straight up comfy, like you're in leggings, sweatpants. There is not a single sight of denim in this lookbook at all. No denim, none. Let's be real, denim is not the most comfy option when it comes to clothing yourself, so there's no denim here. And all of these things are bra optional. So that's maximum comfort right there, is if you don't have to wear a bra, you're comfy. But quick reminder, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and also follow me on Instagram so you can see more of my style and just like me if you want. I mean, like, you don't have to, but like I would really like it if you guys would follow me on Instagram. I'm almost to 10K. Like, it's no big deal, but it's like kind of a big deal, you know what I mean? So for this first look, it is just a band tee with some colored biker shorts. Now this has been my life like all summer. I live in Arizona where it is hotter than Satan's butthole, so it's just like very uncomfortable to walk outside and be like immediately sweating. You just like always want to be comfortable, and that is no different for walking to class when you are in college. So for this first little inspo look idea, it's just a Queen band tee. I freaking love Queen, R.I.P. Freddie Mercury, from Urban Outfitters. They have really dope graphic tees. You could also find graphic tees like anywhere. You could thrift them, you know, be very eco-friendly. And I always like my graphic tees oversized, so this one, I believe it's like a large, like a medium or a large. It's really big because I like, when I pair my tee to biker short like combo, I like it to be like a really baggy t-shirt over my biker shorts. And speaking of these biker shorts, I believe they are from Forever 21, but I just really am loving like biker shorts in general. I mean, like, can we just like take a shot for how many times I'm gonna say biker shorts right now? Colored biker shorts specifically. I feel like you can't go wrong with having a pair of black biker shorts, like duh. But having some pop of color on the bottom half, it's just like, I love it. I got the red biker shorts on. There's some red in the t-shirt that just kind of like brings it all together. You're like matchy-matchy. You're still like cute, look a little bit put together, but you are so comfortable, and that is the beauty of this. Also with this outfit, I would pair it with some high top Converse or my Air Force Ones, or even like if I'm really feeling it, my slides. You can't go wrong with a nice sock and slide look, you know what I mean? This next outfit is a two-piece set from Gymshark. This is the most comfortable set that I own, I believe. Like, it's so comfy. But I just really love two-piece sets in general. You know, you got like your Set Active, where it's literally their whole brand is sets, and like this Gymshark one, just any kind of comfy two-piece set is such a go-to for being super comfortable in college and everything. And these are all very realistic because like this is what I wore. So yeah, I don't know why I had to like give that statement. Yeah. There's also an option to get like a long sleeve as well. I'm wearing the short sleeve. I actually do have both the short and the long sleeve because that's how much I love this set. And also, can we just talk about how good it makes your butt look? Like, it's amazing. I'm pretty sure it's still available online, so I'll link it down below if I can find it, but I always get a million compliments on this set whenever I wear it out. And just sets in general, they're so like low effort while they still make you look really put together because they just match perfectly. Like, duh, that's what sets are. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I love sets. they're a really good go-to outfit. This next outfit is just another take on comfiness. That is what this whole little lookbook is just how many ways can we style comfy outfits where they don't look exactly the same. That's the theme of this video that we're going along with here. So I'm just wearing these joggers that I got from Tiger Mist, I believe, and they have like the nice stripes down the side, the little red and white, so I paired it with this shirt. I'm pretty sure I thrifted the shirt that I'm wearing in it, and I cut it myself and everything to get a really good like distressed look, you know? And so once again, just another incredibly comfy, like literally pajama level comfy outfit that I legitimately wore going to classes and just all throughout college life. Joggers are another staple bottom half piece to have that makes you like look really like cool and badassy, but you're like wearing sweatpants, but they're not full-on sweatpants because they're joggers, so they make you look better. And then again, I would pair this outfit with Air Force Ones or my Chuck Taylors. So yeah, pretty much all of these outfits look really dope with Air Force Ones or Converse. This next outfit is just your go-to leggings. I love leggings. These specifically are Lululemon leggings. I'm actually wearing them right now. But I love Lululemon leggings. I never heard of Lululemon, fun fact, until I came to college. And yeah, they're freaking expensive as heck. But might I say they are worth the money because they're so comfy. But yeah, just your usual, like I don't gotta really explain this one. It's just leggings and like a cute cropped graphic tee. That's just like my life. That's all I wear. That's literally what I'm wearing right now in this moment. Mic drop, that's it. That's the look. And last but not least, probably my favorite outfit, honestly, is just any kind of oversized sweatshirt. This is for all my northern part of the States, or even if you're in Europe, wherever you are where it gets cold and you like actually have seasons, not like Arizona. An oversized sweatshirt and either some biker shorts or leggings, so you look just like really like bundled up and like, you know what I mean, but you're like comfy, and like oversized everything is like such a thing right now, and I'm like really happy about it because I love everything oversized. It just makes my heart happy because there's just like so much room in there, you know, whenever you're wearing like an oversized sweatshirt, t-shirt, whatever, you just have like room to move around. I don't really know what any of these movements were, but yeah, anyways. But this oversized kind of sweatshirt, it's like a oversized t-shirt dress kind of sweatshirt. I got it from the laundry room. It's amazing. It's so comfortable. It's like more than a t-shirt but less than a sweatshirt. It's like if a t-shirt and a sweatshirt had a baby, that's what this little top slash dress is. That's my best explanation of that. And then of course just biker shorts. These biker shorts were literally like $10 from Target, I think, and I wear them like 3 times a week. Maybe that's a bit of an over exaggerated statement, but like you get the gist. I love biker shorts. So that is it for this little lookbook. I hope you guys got some kind of inspiration. This is just like a very realistic lookbook for college. I'm telling you guys, it's not a freaking fashion show. Every time you go to class, you could be so comfortable and yet still be like kind of trendy. You don't even have to be trendy. Honestly, just wear a big oversized like fraternity shirt and like some Nike shorts and call it a day. Sometimes we all have those days. All right, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, like this video, all that stuff, you know the drill. Okay, goodbye.